Guys, this is Akshata and Suvarna. Today we will be walking you through the basics of Canva, which is a user design tool. So what exactly is Canva? Canva is a graphic design tool for making social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents and other visual content. Users can use the templates already provided in the app. You can also use Canva right in your browser. So what are the various features of Canva? With Canva, you can edit and convert your PDFs into online designs. You can add various text animations. You can collaborate with your teammates to make designs. There are also a number of various design layouts to choose from. There are templates for every kind of poster or presentation you would like to make, like ranging from formal to informal ones. You can also do adjustment of images in Canva. You can add various effects to the text as well as the images, and these are just a few features of Canva. So why go for Canva when you have other design softwares like Adobe XD, Figma, Photoshop, etc. Canva is a free tool that anyone may use. It may be used to create eye-catching designs for social media, marketing campaigns, etc. Canva has a library of different backgrounds, templates, images, fonts, stickers to ensure that you get the best results. You don't have to be a techie or know a lot of design to use these features. Canva is also extremely user friendly. You can create a team on Canva so they can have access to all the designs and you can collaborate on the designs as well. So now let me take you to the home page of Canva. So this is what the home page of Canva looks like. So here there are a number of templates to choose from, varying from social media, personal, business, marketing, etc. So you can just choose a template and you can make a poster or you can make a presentation or you can make a video as well with Canva. Or if you would like to go for a custom size, that is also possible with Canva. And all your designs will be present here. Whatever designs have been shared with you, you can just check that here as well. So now my friend Suvarna will take over.
So yes guys, so we have seen what are the uses of Canva. So now I'm going to show you a demo on how to create a design using Canva. So when I click on create design, here I have been given different options, like you can click on which design you want, like if you want to do a presentation then click on presentation, what to do Instagram post, or if you want a video or a story, Instagram story. So let me just show you how you can make an Instagram story. So what it does is, when you click different kind of design, your canvas will be of different size. Like Instagram story will be of this size, but the post will be of something like 1080 and 1080 pixels, but this one will be of 1080 and 1920 pixels. So here I am going to explain you guys, like what are the uses of the site, options that are available, and how you can create a attractive and perfect design. So here, first of all, you can see here templates. So what is the use of these templates is, like when you are new to Canvas, or you are not having any idea like how you want to start with, then you can just click on one of the templates. Like you can click on one of the templates and you can just change the text here, or like football example. So that's what you can do. And like if this screen is too small for you, then you can just increase it over here, so it gets increased. Okay, you can see it clearly. So you change the background color, like by clicking here. You can see here, it shows the background color. I can click it. Let me make it as black. Okay, that's the use of templates. Now let me go with the elements. So in elements, like you will have photos or videos, audio. You can all use it. Like photos, you can use it as a background, or you can just normally use it as a photo kind of thing. And graphics, you have, it's like a sticker but it's not moving. And here we have stickers. So stickers, like they really make your Instagram story look attractive and they make it look cool. So like I can use some of the stickers. So if you want to like decrease the opacity of the sticker, then you can just click here transparency, and you can decrease its opacity. And if you want to resize them, then you can just do it like this. And then like if you're making an Instagram story, then you can just use all kinds of stickers. So that's what is useful use of the stickers, and then that's what is the use of this elements. Now going on to the uploads, here like you can upload some of the audio or images or videos from your own desktop. Like I can just click on upload video, audio or media, and then I can say I want to upload this particular video. Then it comes under uh, video section. And if you want to like upload some of the images, then you just click on one of the image and you can just upload them, so it just gets uploaded. So like when you want to use it, you can just drag them over here and you can resize them your wish, and you can just use it there. So on our audio also, like you can use here, like for particular design you can use a particular audio. So that's for the uploads. And then text is something that is really very cool, and it just makes your poster look so good, so good. So like you can let me say let me just do some background here. So I can search for the elements that I want, so I no need to like go through all the things and see, but I can just search them. Say this one. So this is the back, it's kind of like a background. Now I can just use some cool text, like let's say this one. Let's say Himalayas. The Himalayas. So since you can see like this S is coming down, so you can just resize them like this and paste it over here. So that's how it's done. That's how you can use with text. So like you can add a new page like by clicking here. So you will be given a new page over here, and then you can delete the page over here. So like if I want to duplicate this whole page, then I can just click it like this. So that's how the whole page is duplicated. Now like if I want to use like two text, let me say this one type of text, and this is one more type of text. Like if you wanted to move these two things together, then you can do this one. Like you can just select them both, and you can see here group. So these both will be grouped together. So now I can just move them wherever I want together. So I can resize them, and I can use them as a group. And like if you want to remove it as an you want them to be separate, then you can just click on ungroup. That's how it's done. And then here let me tell, like if I want to like decrease the transparency of the background, then I can go here transparency, and I can just reduce it like that. And let me say like I want to use some stickers here. I can go to the graphics, and then here you can see stickers, and you can click on them, and you can use some cool stickers here. Like let me say this one like this. I can just resize it and have it over here. And then yeah, so like if you want to like like when I have it here, my sun is behind the Himalayas. Like if I wanted to bring it before the Himalayas, it's called as layering. So the Himalayas is on the top, then the next layer is the sun, and the next layer is the background picture. So if I want the sun to come front, so what I can do is I can just bring this Himalayas, bring this sun, or I can just send this border to backward. So send backward. So now you can see that the sun is in the front. You can see that sun is in the front, but it is still behind the Himalayas. So what I can do is I can bring the Himalayas to the back. So my sun is front now. So this is how you can like change the layering of how your elements shall be. So now other thing is like if I want to like animate this thing, like I can just click on this text and I can click on animate here, and I can use what kind of animation, like you have all kind of animations here, so you can use them any of the thing. And if I want the animation for the whole page, then I can just click on this whole page and then click on animate, and then I can have like this photo zoom. So that's how it's done. And if you want to control like how much time this particular slide shall take, then you can click on time and you can change the timing accordingly. 3 seconds. So that's how it's done. And you can also like flip it, like you can flip it horizontal or you can flip it vertical. Then now I can just play. So that's how it's done. Like you can play it and you can see like how it has to be done. Then like here you can see like I can just change the name of the project. Like let me keep it as demo. And then like if you want to resize it, then you can just click on resize, but it requires Pro. So let me say you how you can get the Canvas Pro. You can get the Canvas Pro by applying GitHub student package. So in the under that package you will automatically get the Canvas Pro, like using your VIT mail ID. If you log in through, then after applying for the GitHub student package, you can access the Canva Pro. And like if you want to work as a team, like if you want all 4 or 5 members or more than 5 members to work together on a single design, on the same design, then you can just click on share, and you can like share a link to edit. You have to copy this link and you have to send it through any way of communication, like through WhatsApp or through Instagram or whatever means it is comfortable for you guys. So that's how it's done. So now I want to download this particular design that I have done, so I can just click on download. And if you want it in the case of MP4 video, then you can download, or you can select this one. Or if you want it as an PNG, like if it's a poster, then you can have it as PNG or JPG. Or if you want a GIF where the sound will not be included, then you can click that one. So as of now, I am taking it as video. So you should have like all 5 pages, and you can just download a draft. Download a draft. So it requires the pro thing, so I don't have it, so I can just download a draft. Like if you want to download, you can download with pro, or you can download it by paying it, like you have to pay 75 rupees or something. But I recommend downloading a draft. So I can just click on downloading a draft. So this particular video will be downloaded in the download section of yours. So that's it about the canvas. So guys, I think you have understood everything, and I hope you all create some beautiful amazing designs using our Canvas Pro. So that's it. Thanks for watching.